In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up subscriptions on Shopify so you can create recurring payments and build steady monthly revenue for your store. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, go to Apps and open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Subscription App and choose an app like Shopify Subscriptions or another subscription app that fits your business needs. Click Install and follow the setup instructions to connect the app to your store. After installation, open the subscription app and create a new subscription plan. You can choose how often customers are charged, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly subscriptions. Next, select the products you want to offer as subscription products and customize options like discounts, delivery frequency, and billing cycles. Once everything looks good, save your subscription settings. Now visit your product page and you'll see the subscription option added for customers during checkout. And that's it. Your Shopify subscription setup is now live and ready for customers. Thanks for watching.